I'm Tom Ackland. I'm the CEO of Dassault Systèmes 3DEXCITE brand, and we help our manufacturing clients take their products to market. On the one hand, we help our clients imagine user experiences, and on the other side, we actually help them deliver those user experiences to customers in their everyday lives. At 3DEXCITE, we've been working with AWS since about 2014, I think, where we first started to actually virtualize a lot of the processes that were previously GPU bound and on-premise and start to actually put them into cloud services. And the thing that's made the difference for us is really that AWS gives us a freedom to operate. That means we can focus on the things that are really differentiating in our offer and rely on all of the capability that AWS gives us. Products are starting themselves to become services and experiences. We're not just launching products once, but we're launching them every 3 weeks. And that means we need a partner who can supply us with the infrastructure and the underlying capabilities that we need to scale and deliver that kind of business model. So the primary benefit we get from working with AWS is really to get our products to market more quickly and in a more scalable fashion. And that in turn helps our clients do the same with their products and their customer experiences. 3DEXCITE Show empowers developers to create new sorts of experiences which enrich products and deliver more value to customers. 3DEXCITE Create allows all of the people in the commercial ecosystem to make very personalized and very individual offers to the customers. So it's really about an inversion of control, empowering people all the way through the ecosystem to be able to get the job done fast. AWS engaged with our team right from the start. It wasn't a one-off activity. This was iterative, it was collaborative, and ultimately it was about achieving something together. So for us, this is really about 0 to 1. There are things that we were just not able to do until now. If we can reduce the time it takes to go from a model to an experience, we immediately have a first order benefit for cost, for time, and for speed. Reducing that friction has a second order benefit of being able to launch months earlier. This gives you an opportunity for feedback. And then of course there's the third order benefit, which is the imperative of becoming more software defined in how you deliver value to customers every day. The AWS technologies and services that we implemented to deliver the solution fall into 2 buckets. On delivery, we're talking about EC2, particularly GPU loads. We're talking about things like RDS, where we're abstracting relational database services. We're talking about CloudFront, and obviously lots of S3 storage. And we're also talking about the orchestration of our infrastructure as code using EKS. And if we're talking about intelligence, we've been using SageMaker particularly and other inference and training services. The future vision for how we anticipate our working with AWS in the future is really about co-innovation to provide highly verticalized solutions for industry which solve an increasing number of challenges which our customers face as their markets speed up. Today, the vector is all about generative techniques for us to add context to the canonical, to tell a story around something which is highly sophisticated and science-driven. My advice for working in partnership is to make sure that the governance model is well established. If the leadership and the experts are all talking to each other continually, the chances of success are far, far greater, and in the end, everyone will be happy with the result. Looking back on the projects we've done together, I can say that the people at AWS are not only highly professional, but also fun to work with.